first thing to understand in planning is this tension between running and changing the business. Earlier we went through this diagram, and the lower line, as you recall, is sort of what would happen if you kept doing what you've been doing. It's the status quo, so to speak. It might be flat or up or down a little bit. And then the upper line is what you'd like to happen. And the difference is the gap. And you know, the lower line sort of represents running the business, doing what you know how. And the upper line says what you'd like to achieve. And so closing this gap is where the challenge becomes. And trying to balance doing both at the same time. It's walking and chewing gum. And so the plan has to reconcile this, how to resolve it. And so the technique that we've developed over the years that works pretty well is to separate a plan into two components. One part represents the ongoing responsibilities, and we call these ongoing goals. And there are typically 3 to 5 of these that represent what you're responsible for as an individual or what a department is responsible for. And then the second part of the plan is a series of projects that describe what needs to change in the organization. And so you're always balancing the resource required to run with the resource required to change.